guys, happy Saturday. I hope you're having a good day. I am at the office doing some paperwork and I wanted to talk to you about something that I'm doing in my escrow right now. We just had the appraisal done and I realized that many people who maybe aren't familiar with the home buying process don't understand the difference between a home inspection and a home appraisal. So last week I did a video on home inspections and why you should have them, what they are. So if you're interested in that, go to my Facebook page, look at my videos, or head to my YouTube channel and you'll find it on there. But today I want to talk about home appraisals and what they are. So a home appraisal, basically, if you are using a loan from a bank or a lender to purchase a property, then they're going to require that you have an appraisal done on the property to ensure that the property value is worth the loan amount, so that if you default on your payments and they need to foreclose on the property and resell it, they're going to be able to recoup what they lent to you to purchase the property. So when you write up your purchase agreement, or rather your agent writes up an agreement for you to purchase the property and you're using a home loan, they're going to put that the home is, or that the purchase agreement is contingent on an appraisal. So then when you open escrow, the lender is going to send out an appraiser who is a licensed neutral third party. They're going to go out to the property and they're going to look at various things. They're going to first look at the overall condition of the property inside and out. Then they're going to look at the characteristics of the property: bedrooms, bathrooms, lot size, square footage, location. And then they're also going to look at comparable sales in the area, and they're also going to take a look at the overall market of the overall real estate market to make sure that the home purchase price isn't ridiculous. As you and I know, anybody can put their house up for sale for whatever amount of money they want, and if a buyer really wants that house, a buyer can come in and say, I want to buy this house for $900,000, even though it's technically only worth $500,000. So that is what the appraiser is doing. They're going to put a report together and then they are going to give their determination on what the value of the property is, and then the overall condition, if it's lendable or not lendable, and then they will send it to the lender, and the lender and their underwriter will review it and make a final determination if they are going to lend you the money for you to purchase this property. So it is not up to you as the buyer. If you have an appraisal done, it is up to the lender, and when you have a loan on a property, they are going to require that an appraisal is done, and this is to protect themselves and be sure that they're lending money on something that's worth the value of the loan. So if an appraisal comes in a little low, don't panic. As with many things in life and real estate, there are things that you can do to correct any issues that the appraiser points out. You and the seller can work together to fix these issues, renegotiate price, do what you need to do to make sure that the lender feels comfortable and confident in lending money on this property. So this is just one of the other steps in home purchasing. It's an appraisal. It has to be done if you have a home loan, and don't freak out if it comes in a little low or with some issues. Just work with your agent, work with your lender, and work with the seller to address those and fix it. So I am going to finish up here at the office, and then I'm going to head home and enjoy the rest of my Saturday, and I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday as well.